This is Techtastic.
One of the most intriguing things to exist today is AI, or simply put, artificial intelligence. Except for the fact that it comprises hundreds of millions of lines of code, you may not be aware. But the creation of AI involves a combination of advanced algorithms, sophisticated models, and vast amounts of data. The question we should be asking is, what is all this work done for? What is its actual use beyond the whole ChatGPT scenario? How does it help us? Keep watching to know it all and more. Let's get right into it. AI is a field of computer science that aims to create machines that can think and work like humans. With the advancements in technology, AI has become a crucial part of our lives and is rapidly transforming industries such as healthcare, finance, and transportation. But how is AI created? In this article, we'll delve into the process of creating AI and explore the various steps involved in bringing AI from an idea to reality. AI. How is it made? The process of creating AI can be divided into four main steps. Defining the problem. The first step in creating AI is to identify the problem you want the machine to solve. This could be anything from detecting cancer in medical images to optimizing the delivery of packages. Once the problem has been identified, it's important to understand the data that is required to solve it and to create a dataset. Preparing the data. The next step is to prepare the data that will be used to train the AI model. This involves cleaning the data, transforming it into a format that can be used by the AI algorithms, and dividing it into two sets: a training set and a validation set. The training set is used to teach the AI model how to make predictions, while the validation set is used to evaluate the performance of the model. Building the model. With the data prepared, the next step is to build the AI model. This involves choosing an appropriate algorithm or set of algorithms, such as decision trees, neural networks, or deep learning algorithms, that will be used to solve the problem. The choice of algorithm will depend on the type of problem being solved and the nature of the data. Training and validation. Once the model has been built, it's time to train it. The AI model is fed the training data and used to make predictions. The model is then evaluated using the validation data, and its performance is measured using metrics such as accuracy, precision, and recall. If the model's performance is not satisfactory, adjustments are made to the model, and the process is repeated until the desired level of performance is achieved. Deployment and maintenance. The final step is to deploy the AI model into a real-world scenario, such as a mobile app or a website. The model is then continually monitored and updated to ensure that it continues to perform at the desired level. This may involve incorporating feedback from users, updating the data used to train the model, or making changes to the algorithms used by the model. Understanding how AI is created can help us better appreciate technology and how it's changing the world. It can also provide insight into the potential and limitations of AI, and help us to make informed decisions about its use. So, without wasting any more time, let's keep doing it. By now, we know that creating AI is a complex and multi-step process that involves preparing data, building models, and continuously monitoring and updating them. However, with the right approach, the result can be a machine that is capable of solving problems, making decisions, and improving over time. AI has the potential to transform many industries and improve our lives, and the creation of AI is an exciting field that is constantly evolving. Drop a like, and make sure that you subscribe to us to explore more such amazing technologies and dive deep into it. Now, let's know more about AI through its effects. Implications of AI. The creation of AI has significant implications for society, both positive and negative. On the positive side, AI has the potential to transform many industries and improve our lives in several ways. For example, it can be used to improve healthcare by automation using AI and its numerous tools or applications. The implications of artificial intelligence. AI can be both positive and negative. On the positive side, AI has the potential to improve efficiency and productivity, leading to increased economic growth and improved quality of life. For example, AI can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up time for human workers to focus on higher-level tasks, and it can also be used to analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns and insights that would be difficult for humans to detect. In the healthcare industry, AI can be used to improve diagnosis and treatment, helping doctors to make more informed decisions and improving patient outcomes. AI-powered systems can also be used to monitor and predict disease outbreaks, helping to prevent pandemics and save lives. In the transportation industry, Self-driving cars powered by AI have the potential to reduce the number of accidents caused by human error and improve road safety. Similarly, AI can be used in the energy sector to optimize energy consumption and reduce waste, helping to create a more sustainable future. However, not all of the implications of AI are on the positive side. One of the major concerns is that AI has the potential to replace human workers, leading to job loss and unemployment. There are also ethical concerns related to the use of AI, including issues related to privacy and the potential for AI systems to be used for malicious purposes. Another concern is that AI systems can perpetuate and amplify biases and discrimination, particularly in areas such as employment, lending, and criminal justice. This is because AI systems are trained on data sets that may reflect existing biases, and if these biases are not addressed, they can be perpetuated in the predictions and decisions made by AI systems. Overall, the implications of AI are complex and far-reaching, and we must consider both the positive and negative impacts as we continue to develop and integrate this technology into our lives. As we move forward, it will be crucial to address the challenges posed by AI and to ensure that it is used in ways that benefit society as a whole. We are sure that you must be wondering, what's next? Before we move on, if you're still not subscribed, click that button now to see more such videos. Now, let's know the next big step in AI creation. What is the next big step in creating AI? The next big step in creating artificial intelligence, AI, is to make it more human-like and capable of understanding the world in the same way that humans do. Currently, most AI systems are based on machine learning algorithms that can perform specific tasks but lack a deep understanding of the world. The next big step in AI development is to create systems that can perform tasks such as natural language processing, image recognition, and decision-making in a more human-like way. This will involve creating AI systems that can understand context, learn from experience, and adapt to new situations. Another important area of AI development is making it more explainable and transparent. Currently, many AI systems use complex algorithms that are difficult for humans to understand and interpret. This lack of transparency can make it difficult to identify and address biases and errors in AI systems. To address this challenge, researchers are working on developing explainable AI. Another important step in the development of AI is making it more accessible and democratized. Currently, the development of AI is concentrated in the hands of a few companies and countries, which has led to disparities in access to this technology and the potential for unequal distribution of benefits. To address this challenge, researchers are working on developing open-source AI tools and platforms that can be used by individuals and organizations of all sizes. Currently, there are significant barriers to accessing AI, such as the cost of hardware and software. By making AI more accessible, we can help to bridge these gaps and to ensure that everyone has access to the benefits of this technology. Finally, the next big step in AI is to ensure that it is used for the greater good and that it benefits humanity as a whole. This requires that AI systems are designed with a human-centered approach, that they respect human rights and dignity, and that they are used in ways that promote social justice, equality, and well-being. Another aspect of AI that requires further development is its integration with other technologies, such as the Internet of Things, IoT, and blockchain. AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with connected devices and the way we store and exchange information. For example, AI-powered IoT systems can be used to automate homes, improve energy efficiency, and enhance personal safety. Moreover, the integration of AI with blockchain can help to address some of the challenges posed by AI, such as the protection of privacy and the transparency of decision-making processes. Governments and international organizations need to develop regulations and standards that ensure the safe and responsible use of AI, while also preserving its benefits and potential for innovation. In conclusion, the next big step in AI is to make it more sustainable, accessible, and beneficial for humanity. This will require a new approach to AI development that considers the social, ethical, environmental, and economic implications of this technology, and balances its benefits with its potential risks and challenges. By making AI more sustainable, accessible, and beneficial, we can create systems that improve our quality of life, protect the planet, and promote a more just and equitable society.